Welcome to Cooking with Gerald. On today's episode, I'll be making red beans and rice.
If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. And for those of you that are returning, I'd like to thank you for coming back and also for supporting. Before we get started, if you would for me, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you like the content that you're watching, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Let's take it a step further. If you want to be notified each time I do upload a new video, go ahead and click that notification bell on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now on to the video. Okay, hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to Cooking with Gerald. Hey, today I'm making red beans and rice, and this is actually my first time making them, so they should taste good because usually everything I cook tastes good. But anyway, here are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need 1 ham hock, Cajun style andouille sausage. That's just 2 of them cut up, onions, bell pepper, celery. It's probably like a small onion, a half of a bell pepper, and 2 stalks of celery. Some green onion afterwards for garnish. Some minced garlic. Some rice. We have the complete seasoning. Pepper. Onion powder, garlic powder, Lori seasoning salt. However, I'm going to wait to put that in at the end, and the Creole seasoning. And the reason I'm going to wait to put it in the end is because the Creole seasoning has salt in it too. So what I'm going to do now, and then last but not least, the star of the show, the red beans. These have been soaked overnight and drained. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put the ham hock in there, add a couple of quarts of water, and let that cook for about an hour. Once that's finished, then what I'll do is I'll add my beans and then the rest of my veggies and seasonings, and then let it cook for another hour to 2 hours. So I'll be back. All right, guys, so I'm also going to add some cayenne pepper and some thyme. Now, I read the recipe wrong, and I'm actually supposed to cook the vegetables, saute the vegetables and the sausage together, and then add it to the pot with the ham hock and the beans and then your seasonings, and then let it cook for about 3 or 4 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So I'm rendering down the andouille sausage to get all the oil out of it, and then I'm going to saute the vegetables in that oil. All right, so the andouille has been rendered down, so now what I'm going to do is add all the vegetables. And I'm going to cook these for about 5 to 7 minutes, just until they become a little tender. And then I'll add my garlic, because you don't want the garlic to burn. Okay, so the vegetables are turning translucent. They've been cooking for almost 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the garlic. This is about a tablespoon. And to my water, I'm going to add some chicken bouillon. You can actually use chicken broth or chicken stock if you want. I like to make my own so I can control what's in there. So I use the Knorr chicken bouillon and add it to the water. Alright, so That's done. Turn it off. And I'm going to add this to my pot with a ham hock in it. All right, so I'm also going to go ahead and add the beans. And then my seasonings. With their seasonings is going to be seasoned to taste. So I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of the complete seasoning. 2 teaspoons of the chicken broth, bullion, a little touch, probably like about 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, about a teaspoon of thyme, about a tablespoon of onion powder, and about a tablespoon of garlic powder. Black pepper, about a tablespoon. I love black pepper, so. And then the Cajun seasoning, about a tablespoon of that. All right, so I'm gonna let this go ahead and simmer for about 2 to 3, probably like about 3 hours or more, because there's a lot of water in here that needs to evaporate. And I'll be back. Okay, everyone, I'm back. It's been 2 hours and 50 minutes cooking. My beans are tender. You see all that water cooked down from all the way up here, and it's thickened up. So these are done. Some people may say this is too much liquid, but it's not, because once the beans cool down, the liquid is going to thicken up even more. So look at this ham hock falling off the bone. Look at that. Anyway, I'll plate up and be right back. I really hope that you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell at the top right hand corner of the screen to be notified each time I upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you don't mind, please go ahead and share the video. Until next time, stay safe.